Offline in the Starter project, click Project from the main menu. Then click Archive from the drop-down menu. The archiving window opens. Select the project you wish to archive and click OK. The Select and Archive window opens. Choose the storage location and enter a name for the zip file. Then click Save to archive the project. In the Archive Options window, select any desired options and click the OK button. A progress window opens during the archiving process. This can take some time, so please be patient. The archive process is complete when the Starter project tree returns to a normal condition. You can now verify the archive by clicking Project in the main menu and then click Retrieve from Archive in the drop-down menu. The new archive should be available in the designated location.